Hi everyone and welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to create clean, professional custom map labels in Geolayer 3, the kind you see in high-end documentaries, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create custom labels of your choice in Geolayer 3, step by step, using a very simple and effective method that anyone can follow. So let's jump right into it. Before moving forward, let's quickly set up our composition. First, we'll create Afghanistan on our map. Type Afghanistan here and press Add to Browser. Now, while selecting Afghanistan in the list, click Fit View to Feature. This will automatically adjust the position and coordinates, centering the view over Afghanistan. While selecting Afghanistan, use the Draw Feature option. This will draw Afghanistan map outline on output screen. Once the map is created, we want to change the fill color to red. Now, to add the border, first change the palette to border as per your choice. Then, once again, use the Draw Feature option. This will automatically create a border outline around Afghanistan, clearly separating it from the background. Now, rename this border layer to Afghanistan Border to give it a more professional look. Apply hue and saturation to the world map composition. This helps visually enhance and highlight the Afghanistan outline. Next, we'll add some depth to the scene. Hold Ctrl and use the left mouse button to tilt the map, creating a subtle 3D perspective. Finally, change the blending mode of the Afghanistan layer to help it blend naturally with the map and stand out more cleanly. Now let's move on to the default labels. Here, you'll find plenty of options already available. You can try any of these if you want a quick result. However, if you need a different or more unique look for a documentary or professional project, it's better to create your own custom labels. To do that, go to the Labels drop-down menu and choose Add Template. This will create a new label composition that includes a null label anchor point and the feature name layer, which we'll use to design our custom label. Now let's start customizing the label. First, change the text color so it's clearly visible against the map. After that, adjust the composition size to 1000 by 1000. Next, unselect all layers, then select the ellipse tool to create the label base. Set the fill color to white or any color you prefer, and set the stroke to none. Hold Shift and draw a small circle to keep it perfectly round. Once again, unselect all layers, then switch to the pen tool. Draw a line connecting the circle to the feature name text. Enable the stroke for the line so it's visible, and increase the stroke thickness to around 10. Now rename the layers for better organization. Rename the circle layer to base circle and the line layer to line pointer. Next, select the feature name layer and align it properly to the center. If needed, change the font style and replace the default text with Afghanistan. Finally, to complete the design, select the rectangle tool and draw a border rectangle around the label to give it a clean, professional finish. One important thing to note is that this custom label is automatically added to the list of default labels. For better organization, you can rename it to something like Label Mine. Now it's time to add some smooth animations. First, select the line pointer layer and apply trim paths. Animate the trim paths using keyframes like this. As you can see, the animation is now applied to both the line and the rectangle, giving the label a clean reveal. Next, select the feature name layer and add the decoder fade in effect. This creates a subtle typing style animation for the label text. After that, adjust the keyframes and layer timing to make the motion feel more natural. Apply a fade in and fade out effect to the base layer as well, so everything appears smoothly. Finally, for a more precise and professional look, apply ease in and ease out to the keyframes. This small step makes a big difference and gives your animation a much more polished finish. Now we're in the final phase. Go to the label anchor point layer and adjust the anchor point position. Place it at the base of the label, ideally centered on the base circle. This will help everything move correctly as one unit. Next, parent all the remaining layers to the label anchor point layer. This keeps the label perfectly organized and makes it much easier to control. Now head back to the map composition to apply the label. Select Afghanistan, open the Labels drop-down menu and choose your custom label, Label Mine. Click Add Label and that's it. Your custom label is now placed on the map, fully animated and ready for use in your project. Now parent this label properly, then resize it to fit the map scale. After that, enable the 3D layer switch so the label matches the map's perspective and integrates naturally into the scene. And this is the final documentary-style animation. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to support our work, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.